What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Randolla checking in at the Wave Factory. Today, we got something new. Boom, sneaker reviews with Hypeboys with the toys. Let's get it. Today we got something special. This is the Nike SB Jordan 4. Obviously, we've seen Nike SB collab with Jordan before, but nothing like this. So, ooh-wee. I see why these are a highly anticipated release, just looking at the quality and the details. They come out March 21st. Skate shops got them on the 17th. That was yesterday. If you guys are watching in current time, for those who were lucky to scoop them up a little early, congratulations. Don't you just love a special box? I'm a man of detail. I love the extra detail they put into these. This colorway is the pine green colorway. I believe there is another colorway in the works. That might be friends and family, but I hope it does come out. I really like the accent of red on the tongue, and you get a couple accents of red like on the sole and inside the bubble as well. I also like that they added a gum bottom, which I really appreciate because I don't like when the shoes start looking dirty around the edges. And I feel like they look a lot better worn with the gum bottom. This is the first Jordan 4 Nike SB. I'm loving this Nike SB on the heel. I think that was a great touch. That alone just made me want these, honestly. So that was super dope. This is not your average white. This is a little more creamy, a little more sail, which I think in the long run, this is gonna age really well. For the skaters out there, they added extra padding in the toe as well as around the heel collar. They replaced the plastic tabs for the laces and the heel tab with rubber, which I really like. I think it's gonna last a lot longer, and it's easier to show you on the one I have on. So it's a lot more durable. I think it's a good touch. You know, skateboarding, you tend to ruin your shoes, so the extra rubber is probably better. This used to, you know, if you wear low socks or, you know, these, I live in Wisconsin, these tend to crack, but I think this is the best part to me. You know, it won't rub on your heels, it won't do anything crazy like that. I could definitely feel the extra padding in the shoe, which I don't mind. I don't think it's necessary to size up. I'm a true size 10, but if you like a little space in the toe, I would maybe go a half size up, but I think they fit perfect. And on a skateboarding standpoint, I feel like they're gonna be really nice to skate in and they're gonna last. I kind of wanted to see round laces being a Nike SB collab, but what can we do? It's Jordan, and I think it still looks good anyway. The first pair of shoes I won at a raffle when I could afford to get my own was the Military Force, so I instantly thought of those when I seen these. So that's what originally made me want to cop. This is the first Jordan 4 they've done, and the hype, like I said, is crazy. If you want these, be on point, get your notifications on, and if you lose, can't find them, take that L, come get them at Hypeboys with the toys. You can get anything you want there, man, honestly. But yeah, bow, that's it.